welcome back on my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how to make this wonderful and simple bracelet I called Iron Flower Bracelet. Some of you asked me for this bracelet tutorial, and so in this video I've decided to show you how to make it. It's an easy bracelet made with a right angle weave technique, and to make it we will need very few supplies. We will need 57 8mm pearls, and I'm using these in hematite color. Then we will need an elegant clasp. I'm using this one in silver color. We will need some 11 seed beads, and I'm using these silver beads by Toe, and some jump rings, some flat nose pliers, and obviously some thread. In this video I'm using Copperland thread, but I don't recommend it to you, and so I recommend to you to use Fireline thread. If you have Fireline, obviously you can use it, and you can use 0.15 millimeters size of the thread. Or if you want, you can use also monofilament thread. Then we will need a number 10 needle, and now we can start making our bracelet. Pick up a sequence made of 1 8mm pearl, 1 11 seed bead, 1 8mm pearl, 1 11 seed bead, 1 8mm pearl, 1 11 seed bead, 1 8mm pearl, and the last 11 seed bead. So 4 pearls and 4 seed beads. Bring the sequence at the end of the thread and pass again through the first bead and then through the whole sequence of beads to reinforce the work. This is the final result. As you can see, we have 4 pearls alternated with 4 11 seed beads. The thread exits one of the pearls, so pick up 1 11 seed bead, 1 8mm pearl, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 seed bead, 1 pearl, and another 1 11 seed bead. We add 3 pearls because we start from the 4th pearl we already have added to the work. And now you have to pass again the thread through the same bead but in the opposite side. Pull the thread. I recommend you to pass again the thread through the beads to straighten the work. Then pass again through the next 11 seed bead, the next 8mm pearl, the next 11 seed bead, and through the next 8mm pearl, and repeat the step again. You have to repeat always the same steps to complete the work. The thread exits the external 8mm pearl. Pick up the same sequence of beads and pass through the same size 8 pearl. You have to enter the opposite side of the pearl from which the thread is exiting. Now pass through the next 4 beads. Don't forget to pass again through the whole sequence of beads to reinforce the work. The thread must always exit from the external 8mm pearl. Now we have made 4 modules. We have to make 7 more modules to finish our row of pearls. As you can see, I have just finished to make the first stripe of pearls modules, and now we have to make the second stripe. The thread is exiting the left pearl on the last module we made. So the simple thing you have to do is to bring the thread exiting the left pearl of the module of the stripe we just made. To make our first module, pick up the same sequence of 3 8mm pearls and pass through the 8mm pearl on the left. Pass again through the whole sequence of beads and bring the thread exiting the bottom bead of the module we just made. As you can see, now we have already 2 pearls of the sequence, so we have to add only 2 pearls on the thread to complete the sequence. Pick up 1 11 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 11 seed bead, 1 pearl and 1 11 seed bead, and pass through the right pearl. As you can see, we have an 11 missing, so pick up an 11 seed bead and pass through the next pearl. Pass again through the whole sequence of beads, and now we have to add another 11 and now we have to add another 11 seed beads and then add the sequence of pearls to the work. So pick up 1 11 seed bead and pass through the next pearl. Then pick up 1 11 seed bead, 1 pearl, 1 11 seed bead, 1 pearl and 1 11 seed bead and pass through the whole sequence of beads. Bring the thread exiting the middle pearl. Repeat the same sequence until you have finished the second stripe with 8mm pearls. This is the final result. Now we have to make the loops on the external pearls to add the clasp. The thread exits one of the external 11 seed beads. Pick up 10 11 seed beads and pass through the opposite 11 seed bead. Pass again through the loop to reinforce it. Then pass through the beads and bring the thread exiting the other 11 seed bead and repeat the previous step on the other pearl. Bring the thread exiting the pearls on the opposite side of the bracelet and repeat this step. Finally, we are at the end of the work. Now we have to join the stripe to our clasp, and I'm going to make it with some jump rings and some pliers. It's very easy. The only thing you have to do is to open the rings, the jump rings, and join the clasp to the bracelet on both sides. Our iron flower bracelets are now ready to be worn. I hope you like them. If you like the video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!